Okay, here's the update. We are charging start from like 5:30, and then now it's almost 8 o'clock. It's like almost 2 hours, and then you can see the LED running. LED running is mean they are starting to do balancing. I was setting up for balance at 4.08. So the green one is indicator for the LED to start, and we're charging with the 2.9 amp to the BMS, and as you can see here, see pressure balance, pressure like fresh, not 4.08. So I might need to set like 4.1. They said in the manual said you need to set almost close to the maximum. I'm not sure. I need to try. I still not understand how it works, but the function is already work in a logical way. I understand now. So we can set it up here, and let's focus a little bit, and then use this function. See, balance start wanted. I might set to change to like 4.1, maybe not better, or they said very close to maximum. So I set the maximum chart is like, let's see, I like this one. When you press or change some data, they give you beep. See here when I set it up, or LED score. So it mean what? It mean it here. Let's see. It mean the balance system, balance function is shut it down. So it pump it up. Now it's pump it up until near or closing to 4.1. So we go back and check the maximum charge right here, 4.19, which is I only set for 4.1 right here, 4.1, and it's what they said in the manual. This is how I read. That's what they purchase, and they just charge should be close to something like 4.1. Okay, that's it, and check it out later.